Hear that? It's the 1975 unit running. And is that one? Yep. Both of these are running. And I'm officially backlogged with videos. I'm not going to upload this video until tomorrow. This is a nice little unit. This is the 2003 Lennox 1.5 ton heat pump that I got that really short defrost cycle of last winter. Might be able to get a shutdown of that unit. 75 run. Shutdown will, but it might turn off. I don't have that much memory left on this camera, so it might shut off before the camera stops recording. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get the shutdown of it. But I already have a video of it on YouTube, so it doesn't really matter. This is the 1975 Lennox, when Lennox was actually good. The compressor is really quiet. And the fan motor isn't really loud either. It's just that there's so much air blowing out of the fan grill that it makes that noise. This one's, it's kind of like middle when it comes to noise. It's a data sheet. R22 refrigerant, and I don't know what type of scroll this has. It sounds like it might have a reciprocating. I think, this one probably either has a Copeland or a Bristol reciprocating. And then this one, I don't know what type of compressor this could be. Next time I take off the back panel, I'll let you know. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.